As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two grills, the ChuMaste and the Weber Q1200. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've glanced at both. The ChuMaste is definitely cheaper, like $169 compared to Weber's $259.
Exactly. But is the Weber worth the extra cash? I mean, the ChuMaste has 3 burners pumping out 30,000 BTUs, while the Weber only has 1 burner at 8,500 BTUs. Seems like the ChuMaste would heat up faster, right?
Probably. The ChuMaste also has a much larger cooking area, 464.8 square inches versus Weber's tiny 189. So if you're cooking for a crowd, the ChuMaste wins.
Okay, good point. But what about portability? The Weber is only 26 pounds, while the ChuMaste is almost 52 pounds. I want something I can move around the patio easily.
True, the Weber is definitely more portable. And it's fully assembled, whereas the ChuMaste requires some assembly. Plus, Weber's got that reputation for quality and reliability. It's got almost 8,000 reviews and a 4.8 rating, much higher than the ChuMaste's 4.1.
That's a big difference in ratings. And I do like the idea of something fully assembled. What about fuel?
Both are propane, but the Weber uses those smaller, disposable 14.1 or 16.4 ounce tanks. The ChuMaste, I think, is designed for a larger propane tank.
Okay, so the Weber is more convenient for smaller cooks. The ChuMaste has foldable side tables too. The Weber also has foldable side tables.
Yeah, both have foldable side tables and a built-in thermometer. It really comes down to size, portability, and budget. If you need a big grill and don't mind assembling it, the ChuMaste is a steal. But if you want something portable, reliable, and easy to use, the Weber might be worth the extra investment.
Good points. I'm leaning towards the Weber. That higher rating and the fact that it's fully assembled are big pluses. Thanks for breaking it down.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.